Welcome to PitStop 12. The following video is one in a series of clips designed to highlight the latest features available in PitStop, version 12. PitStop 12 introduces a new feature in the reports. Next to the details about the images, the fonts, and so on, you can now also get details about the inks. It is very easy to use. Just toggle on the option, and when you run a pre-flight profile on a file, you will find ink information in the report. What is actually shown is the ink usage as a percentage of the total surface and as square millimeters, centimeters, or inches, depending on your unit preference settings. The values are shown for the complete document and for each page individually. The surface that is used to calculate the percentage value is that of the rendered surface. This means the size of the crop box or the size of the media box when there is no crop box present. Please note that the ink information is not shown when you choose one of the annotated report types, but this is also true for the image information, the font information, and so on. The usefulness of this feature will be immediately clear to those of you who are in the printing business. When you know the surface area covered by a specific ink, you know the number of copies that need to be printed, and you know the size of the surface you can print with a certain amount of ink on a certain substrate. You can quite easily calculate how many pounds or kilos of ink you will use for the job. This ink information not only allows you to calculate the cost for a certain print order, but also for spot colors, you can use this feature to predict more accurately how much ink to order to complete a particular project. Having the information in a PDF report is one thing. Inserting this information automatically into an MIS system with which you do post calculations or with which you order your materials is another. The ink usage information is also available in the XML report that can be created next to the PDF report in PitStop Server. Here you see the same values that were in the PDF report. Your MIS system can then read the XML to extract the ink usage information. To illustrate this point in more detail, let me show you a file being processed by PitStop Server in Switch. The rather complex XML report generated by PitStop Server is then further processed by Switch to generate an easy XML version of just the ink usage, to generate a CSV file that you can easily open in a spreadsheet program, or as an HTML file that you can view in a web browser. Please be sure to watch all PitStop 12 related videos which demonstrate even more features.